convert website traffic into leads. Essential steps to successful internet marketing. You have a growing number of people visiting your website every day. You have set the stage to take the next step, converting website traffic into quality leads. Now you will start moving those visitors further into the sales funnel by converting them to leads. How do you convert traffic to leads? Step number 1. Choosing the compelling offer. Your offering is what will draw people to your website, the visitors. It must speak to your target audience and give them a reason to fill out the form to get access to that prime offering. Anything you offer is designed to start a conversation with your target audience. Whether you are the only salesperson or if you have a full sales staff, these offers will get the conversation started so you can lead that prospect into becoming a paying customer. Step number 2. Create a landing page and download/thank you page. In order to give people the opportunity to sign up for your offer, you need a landing page. Your landing page will contain 2 elements: a description of the offering and the form where visitors fill out information before gaining access to the offering. Visitor form. The information you ask for on the form is what you will use for sales and marketing purposes. Get the information you need to start the sales conversion process. You can gather more information later in the sales process if needed. As soon as the visitor gives the basic information, immediately redirect them to a thank you page where they can download the offering. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon. https://amazon.com/page7. Step number 3. Creating calls to action. You have your offering landing page where people can sign up to download it. You are ready to start integrating calls to action directly into the offering. Call to action is a button that grabs the user's attention and takes that person to the landing page. You can use many types of calls to action throughout your website, in email, on blog posts, inside offers, and in any other marketing efforts you set in the campaign. The call to action and landing page need to align with the message and look. If your CPA offers download this industry-leading white paper about X, your landing page needs the same message. If you change the landing page message to get this ebook about Y, you have lost your audience. When creating a CTA, make sure it links properly to your landing page. With compelling calls to action, you will start seeing leads signing up. Step number 4. Test and measure results. To get an exact measure of your conversion efforts, you need to look at a few critical marketing metrics on the basic elements in your conversion process: calls to action, landing pages, and offerings. Click-through rate, centered on the calls to action. You may have 2 or 3 different CTAs for a single landing page. How many of those people are taking the next step to fill out the form and become a lead? You can offer more than 1 landing page. Measure which one of the landing pages has the better conversion rates. A number of new leads and sales from a particular offering. Your landing pages and CTAs are bringing in leads to a particular offering. Once you